Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited for today's unboxing. I have a reissue bag that I've been wanting in a color that I do not own yet in my collection. Before we get into that though, if you are new here, hello, I am Ralph by Design. I do bag related reviews, content, vlogs, things of that nature, usually coach related here on my channel on YouTube and over on my Instagram. Both are at Ralph by Design. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, both totally free. And without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. All right, here it is. I'm very excited to get this open. I hope you guys had an amazing holiday, had Happy New Year. I have been out of town, so this was actually sitting here waiting for me when I got back, and I'm excited to get this open. I've been wanting this color, and I love this style bag specifically. So without any further ado, let's get into this. Right, let's see here. Ooh, okay. Here we are. We got our bag nicely packaged in there. We are with all the gorgeous holiday packaging. I love this little to from card here. It is Coach branded right there. That is going on my Christmas tree next year for sure. I have not got a gift wrap bag in quite some time from retail, so this is nice. It's been a little while, and what a perfect time than the holidays for it. Let's get into it, see how gorgeous this is, because I've seen it in pictures, and it was absolutely stunning. Beautifully wrapped. Here it is in its dust bag. I love the 1941 version, and this has been revamped and reworked, and they came out in new colors. I'm excited to see what the differences are. Right. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at that color. It just pops. This is such a beautiful color. And I love this new top handle. This is the Archival Trail Bag in the color Sport Blue, style number CG220. And I am absolutely in love with this color. It's gorgeous, and I'm glad that they came out with this bag in a blue. This is something I don't have. I do have like an orange color and an ox blood, but this is really, really gorgeous. They have reworked this new trail bag. They added a rogue handle, and you guys know I love anything with a rogue handle. I think that was a very wise move on this bag. I absolutely love that. It feels really amazing in the hand to carry. Look at all that gorgeous sport blue leather. They did flatten out the top, and then they finished it with leather all the way around the piping. We have original glove tan leather. You can see it stamped right on the bottom there in that gold foil. This is the same leather that they used on everything in the Originals collection. And I don't know, to me, it does feel softer, more like supple, something more that like they used in the vintage bags. And I actually really, really like that compared to just the regular glove tanned leather. Coach has never come out and gave like an official release on what the difference of the leathers are, but they are marked different. And this is really, really soft. It definitely does feel different than my 1941 trail bags. Got the little hang tag, and I love that this has the silver hardware. We all know that this is new for Coach. They've always done brass or the gunmetal, but this looks great on here, especially with that blue. I do, however, miss the 1941 hang tag. I feel like that just added some extra on extra. Of course, you guys know me. So a 1941 hang tag on this would have been amazing. The pull tabs are these big, chunky, amazing leather tabs. Let's get it open and see the inside. It's just fully stuffed, so let me pull that out. Oh wow, it's perfectly contained. I'm actually going to keep this and use it to stuff my bag when it's on display. So the inside is fully leather lined. That is something different that they did not do in the 1941 version. The 1941 version had that canvas interior on it, and this one is all fully lined. See the top there where the rogue top handle is secured in. And the interior leather is like a dark navy color. It just has the one back pocket, and that is it. So this is definitely one of those dump bags. You just pop everything in there. There's no organization other than that back slip pocket, so you can use that for like a credit card. Something I also just noticed is that this actually doesn't have a back pocket like the 1941 version did. I'm not sure if this is more true to the original design, but I mean, that slip pocket in the back I rarely use just because it is so tight. So it'll pretty much just hold a credit card. It will not hold your phone or anything like that. But you can see like this leather is definitely a lot more smushy and like luscious, thick feeling than the 1941. The 1941 is very rigid and firm. It doesn't have like that squish to it like this one does. Overall, I am very, very excited and happy to have this bag in my collection. It does come with the strap, matching leather on it, and the silver hardware. I don't have any silver extenders for these straps, so I will be purchasing some. And when I do, I'll link them all below so you guys can know exactly which ones I like to use. Got the little buckle here, love it. Now I know some people are not a big fan of the trail bag because they say it's a little bit difficult to get in and out of when you're wearing it crossbody. But usually myself, when I'm carrying a trail bag, I carry it by the top handle anyways. I know when you are wearing it crossbody like this, it kind of, these get in the way of the zipper to get open and closed. If you prefer to wear this crossbody instead of carrying it top handle, that might be something that would annoy you. To me, it is not a problem. I think this looks adorable carried top handle with the strap there, just dangling and just adding the extraness to it. Of course, I'll probably add some charms or some chains or something. I know Coach has a silver chain on their website that I think this would look amazing on, just clipping it onto one side and maybe the other side here where the handle is at. But that is such a stunning, gorgeous bag, and I'm so glad to add this to my collection. I will be doing a comparison video of this and the 1941 version for all my extras that want to know the difference. Things like the top handle, the way the top is shaped, the leather lining, those are just some things that I noticed right away. But I will definitely be coming out with a more in-depth comparison video of the 1941 version and this new version. I was debating getting this customized because to me, it's a gorgeous color, absolutely gorgeous color, but it's kind of a bit of a blank canvas. So I'm either going to dress this up with some charms, or who knows, maybe I'll do some Coach Create across the front, or maybe even just the top. I think this would look really cool with a bunch of silver studs just scattered all around the top. I think that would really just snazz it up and make it extra on extra, of course. The color is stunning. I hope you guys love this bag as much as I do, because this is actually going to be a great everyday carry. It's going to hold a lot. My trail bag holds a ton, and I think this might be a slightly different shape to it than the 1941 version, but look out for my comparison video of this one and the 1941 version. Let me know in the comments what you think of this bag. What do you think of the color, the shape, the design, and is this something that bothers you, having the crossbody strap connect here compared to if it would have connected up here? Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and don't forget, stay extra out there. Bye.